Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually my first gaming video. I am playing Minecraft right now, so I hope you guys enjoy. Actually, I think I should go in survival. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm in survival, guys. So this is my house. I'll show it to you guys from the outside. Oh, then I don't know what I'm trying to build for this, but guys, look at this. It ain't pretty cool, I guess, right? Okay, well, look at this. It's my house from the outside. So, let me go to the other side. So, that side and this side are the same. The other side and this side are the same. Behind it, but this side has doors. The inside, I need to put torches, but here's my couch. Here's my bed. That's my big flat screen TV. That's my roof. I'm going to go in creative to get torches. Because this is a flat world, I can't mine. But, if I get 5 likes on this video, I will go in survival, not flat. No, 10 likes. 10 likes, okay? I will go in not flat world. Do it. Guys, I'm gonna do another Minecraft video some other time, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'm gonna do it on YouTube. So I only got a limited time to record on just camera, but on YouTube you get as much time as you need to. And in a while, if I get good at YouTube and everything, I might do a live stream because I know how. So yeah, make sure to hit the like on this video if you want to see another Minecraft video with not a flat world. Sorry, but yeah, I guess. I guess let's go in survival now. Okay, so there we go, and boom, I'm in survival. Oh yeah, guys, I have flying on survival. Oh, and here's my secret base bunker thing. So this is, I don't know what this is for, just a hideaway, I guess, in my secret house. Not secret, why did I call it secret? It's just my secret bunker. This is a normal house. But I'm gonna go to bed. Bang. Okay, so guys. Ooh. That's cool, I guess. Well, why did I say? Sorry, guys. I know I told you this before, but I'm new at YouTube. I don't know. I'm so excited, guys. How you get in here? It's like a mob jail. It's not no way to get out unless you're a human. Well, a character. You go down here. You shut that. You go up here. Oh, I thought I had a pressure plate here. I need to put a pressure plate here. I need to craft one. Don't worry. I got wood here. And trust me, they can't get through 1 block holes unless, oh, baby zombies can get out. But I want to trap the big people. Not not animals. I want to trap mobs. Spiders can get out too. They can. So, because they can climb up or go through it. So let's craft some wood. Okay. What the heck? What the heck? Guys, where are wooden pressure plates? I mean, there's iron. And I guess not. I don't know, but they still can't get out because of the trapdoor. I don't know. But, yeah, guys. I guess that's the prison. That's the tutorial of the prison. And guys, to prove I'm in survival, if you don't believe me, I'm not, there's no like add-on mods, anything on to just make it look like I am. See? I can die. If you want me to die, I will, right here. See guys, now I need to go get my stuff. Flat screen TV. What's on TV? Weird. I don't know, let's go get my stuff though. Where is that? Okay, so guys, how's it going along? Okay, that's fun. Okay. Cow, you're worth a lot of food. No, I haven't played Minecraft on my PS3 in a long time. I haven't. Who hit your camera, right? Fine, cow. I'll make cow just for you. I'll make a. What? Where is everything? Oh, I have to make. No wonder nothing was there. I need to make a crafting table. There. Okay. Here we go, Cam. You're gonna be mean? I'll be mean. Bye. Oh, that was easy. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, boy. Change it, eat, fly. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, you're gonna get to work. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, I just died. Not surprised. Let's go. That's my crafting table. Here. Turn that down, Dad.
What?
Turn that down.